Welcome to the Alpha Indicator Suite Part 1, Trend Maker. This is a moving average based indicator that utilizes SMAs and EMAs to help you find support and resistance levels to be able to execute your trade. How I like to utilize this indicator is whether I go on the 15-minute chart or the 1 hour or the 4 hour or the daily, I like to look at how exactly are these moving averages reshaping themselves on each different time frame. And when I get the confluence of one time frame, which is smaller with a larger one, that gives me confluence of a support level being established or a resistance level being established, this helps me execute a trade based on how the confluence is working as per the trend maker. So at present moment, if you're looking at the price action, you can see the top aqua line right here, once it started rejecting price, you could see price again started to hit this red ribbon right here, dropped much further. It's starting to hit the red ribbon again and drop towards this green line right here. So these are all different formulas that we've created for this indicator. Now, these are not your simple moving averages that you could just pick from TradingView and start adding them, for free for each one, because we have a unique formula attached to each one that helps us calculate which ribbons are flipping exactly to help us identify support and resistance levels. Now, I'm going to give you guys a couple of good examples that TrendMaker itself helped us find in the March 2020 drop. For example, if you look at this chart right here, okay, this is the S&P 500. So this indicator can be applied to pretty much any asset that's tradable, right? So let's go to the SPX right here on the daily chart, all right? And you can see right off the bat, okay, once the March drop happened, right here, you can see price hit our whale volume almost perfectly, this lavender line at the bottom. And then after that, we have a unique signal that we've attached to be able to identify a strong rebound, a strong volume rebound in the S&P 500 or any other asset that you can apply this indicator to. And that gave us a perfect buy signal right near the bottom as per our trend maker indicator. Now, the same thing applies to Bitcoin. When Bitcoin dropped very aggressively right near this whale volume indicator, which is the lavender line right here, you can see we tagged this whale volume real quick, almost perfectly, and then we had this again, this whale volume signal with a strong rebound. Now, aside from that, you can look across the board going back to 2017, 2018 days to help you find key support and resistance areas where price kind of tagged these moving averages almost perfectly to find support and resistance levels. For example, if you were trading back in 2019, once price broke above the red ribbon that you see right here, you can see price never really looked back and went on a fantastic bull run, right? And once you start to break back inside the moving averages and you start rejecting the aqua line right here, the top moving average, then you sold off quite aggressively. And even over here, you can see in the February-March drop that we had, once price broke below the red ribbon and the aqua line right here, you can see it sold off really aggressively. So that was a perfectly timed short if you were able to catch that. So this is an indicator that we've developed for our Advantage members. You can buy this in our community for a 30% discount. So if you go to the website, you go to the products page, and you buy this indicator suite on a monthly price, it's $100 for non-Advantage members. Again, Advantage membership is our subscription that we have for members who want to subscribe to all our locked channels in Discord. So if you pay that price, then you're already getting the 30% discount for the Alpha Indicator Suite. Now, these indicators are developed not to give you a buy and sell signal strategy. In fact, they're not supposed to be the sole strategy at all. They're supposed to help complement your existing strategy. We've also created user manuals going with the trend maker and the other indicators that we have in the suite to help you get a deeper understanding of exactly how our indicators work, so you can do some deep analysis of learning this indicator if you so choose. Now, additionally, we also have 2 channels that are separate for these indicators specifically, where Harry, the creator of the indicator, and myself will post analysis on a day-to-day basis of exactly how we look at the price action as per this indicator. So in any given day, if you have any questions regarding any asset, we will be able to answer those questions in these 2 channels right here. So aside from these 2 indicators, or rather this trend maker indicator, we have the 2 other indicators, which are the swing indicator, which you will see in the next video, and then finally our shepherd indicator, which is a RSI divergence-based indicator. So thank you for watching, and keep watching for the videos ahead.